Greetings, everyone. It's Kamishara from Kamishara's Corner. Oh my goodness, yes, that's me in the background, and my kids, and my husband, and my. Anyway, so I'm hopping on here today because I'm cleaning. This is gonna be a cleaning day, and I'm just getting over COVID. Yes. Oh my gosh, I didn't have it really bad, thank goodness. But the only thing I would say for me is, I gotta sit down. Tired. Every time I do something, it's like I get winded and I get really tired really fast, and I gotta sit down. So everything takes so long to get done. So I'm like, I have to get myself prepared for these festivals that are coming up. I have, not this weekend, next weekend. So I have a lot more things to make. I've made a lot of soap, but I have a lot more other things to make, and I hope I'm not covering the sound. Oh well, I hope you could have heard me. And anyway, I got a lot to do. Let me see something. Oh, okay, I can turn the light on. I got a lot to do, and I got a lot of cleaning to do. So I've been cleaning, and it takes so long because I get tired really fast. So no coughing and all that craziness. Just you know what's really interesting? I don't get sick a lot. Very, very rarely get sick, and I can't remember the last time I had a cold. But that's what this felt like. It felt like a cold. I was trying to think of what it felt like. I said, kind of like a bug that wouldn't go away. And I was like, just thinking, and I was like, that's what it is. A cold. I haven't had the common cold in I can't even remember when the last time I had a regular cold. But it just felt like the bad cold. And yeah, you don't hear too many people talking about the cold. You hear them talk about the flu, you hear them talk about everything else. Like, there's no longer a cold and flu season, it's just flu season. And now it's COVID and flu season. It's crazy. But anyway, today's clean day because I'm gonna be getting ready to make a whole bunch of stuff. Yeah. So I'm looking kind of busted. My hair is crazy. Yeah, and I'm kind of tired, but I'm gonna show you my table because it's a mess, and I'm gonna show you under my table because it's a bigger mess. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. Yeah, so this is my table. So I need to clean this off. All of these dishes need to be washed. Everything needs to be washed. Hair product underneath my table. Horrible. Yep. All of that. Just a mess. So everything needs to be cleaned up. Everything needs to be straightened up. I'm showing you my space. Everything needs to be organized. Yep. Everything needs to be organized. But we're working on that. And still got some soap over here. Some soap that needs to cut. Some products, only a little bit of products that are actually labeled and all that good stuff. This is a scrub that I made for myself, and as you can see, it's just sitting on the shelf. One solitary bottle of lotion. I need to make more. So I haven't been doing anything. Why? And my shelves are really, really bare. Why? Because I was sick, so I couldn't do nothing. Except what I already had. Yeah. But anyway, this will soon be full, and all of my stock will soon be back. I have nothing, and all of this will soon be clean because yeah, just everything's a mess. But when it's all clean, hold on, be back to show you when everything is all cleaned up. And I will be back to my normal self, if there is a normal me, in no time. So, I'm about to go wash some dishes. And I'm going to show you my dishes. I got a whole lot. And I even got, well, actually, let me bring these with me. Because because I gotta wash this. And I got everything. Oh, can I carry this? You know what? I don't think I can. Let's see if I can carry everything and hold the camera at the same time. Nope. Leave that. I'll come back for it. Okay. Sink full of dishes. Okay, so this is all my dishes washing. I have more herbal infusions I have to make. I have more herbal decoctions I have to make. Yeah, I got everything to make. But first thing first, let's get my dishes washed. Okay? Yeah. So before I get to washing those, I need to put these stuff away.